Hey everyone! Whether you need a physical copy for a visa application, a business reimbursement, or just want a backup in case your phone dies at check-in, having your Booking.com confirmation saved as a PDF is a travel essential. In 2026, the layout is slightly updated, so let me show you the fastest way to download it on your desktop. Let's get you ready for your trip. Step 1. Open your bookings and trips. First, log into your account on the Booking.com desktop site. Look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon or your name. From the drop-down menu, select Bookings and Trips. This is where all your upcoming, past, and even canceled reservations are stored. Step 2. Select your reservation. Find the specific stay you need the confirmation for. Click on the Manage Booking button next to that reservation. This will open the full details page, including the property address, check-in times, and your total price. Step 3. Access the Print/PDF menu. Look toward the top of the reservation summary. You'll see a small row of icons or links. Click on Print Confirmation. Don't worry, you don't need a physical printer yet. Clicking this will open a clean, formatted print version of your confirmation in a new tab. And that's it. You're officially organized and ready to travel. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.